Hello. Hi all. Good afternoon. मी डॉक्टर निकिता कुलकर्णी, अ चाइल्ड स्पेशलिस्ट डेंटिस्ट. हाऊ आर यू डूइंग? आय होप तुम्ही सगळे घरी राहताय आणि काळजी घेताय. टुडे आय विल टॉक अबाउट सम टिप्स ऑन हाऊ टू मेंटेन गुड टीथ फॉर युअर चिल्ड्रन. सम सिम्पल डूज अँड डोंट्स. To start from the basic do's, 2 times brushing every day is a must for children. Starting from the age of 6 years, the child should start brushing by himself. All other kids less than 6 years, twice brushing should be taken up by the parents. The morning brushing, even if it is after breakfast, it is okay. Night brushing is very important. It should not be ignored. For everyone, night brushing is definitely advised. The second point would be gargling after every snack. Children tend to snack a lot, especially if they are at home during this lockdown. They might snack every now and then. Make them a habit of gargling their mouth every time after they have any small meal, any small snack. Maybe a chocolate, a cup of milk, anything. 3 gargles after every meal is definitely advised. Third thing is what you can introduce is saline water gargles. Probably you can introduce. You can take some warm water, add some salt in it, and warm salt water gargles could be done for your children at every weekend. So probably 2 times in a week, Saturday and Sunday, every night, the child should gargle with salt water gargles. It keeps the infections at bay. The microorganisms in the mouth are also reduced. Maybe some children do have bad breath, so that also can be taken care by this. The fourth thing which can be introduced during childhood only is limiting the snacking pattern. Make sure your child is having healthy snacks throughout the day. Make him stay far as possible from junk food. You can maybe limit 1 day per week for junk food. That is any of your chocolates, any sticky foods, wafers, chips. All are equally bad when it comes to tooth decay. So you can limit only 1 day for such bad food for your health and for your teeth. Some of the don'ts for children especially are, there is no need to use any mouthwash. Mouthwash contains some harmful ingredients which are only advisable for adult usage post the age of 18. The second thing, flossing is also not needed for children. If proper toothbrushing is done, there is no need of flossing. Maybe chances are while flossing the child might hurt himself by the floss. So that is it for today. Some tips on oral hygiene to make good care of teeth so that they are sparkly, white and bright, and some don'ts which are not needed for children's oral hygiene. Let me know how you find the video. Do follow regular updates from my page, The Little Tooth Doctor. Bye. See you all. Stay home. Stay safe.